Finally, we have a closer glimpse of the Galaxy's S24 Ultra, providing answers to all the questions that Galaxy's S23 Ultra users have been asking. This new design particularly focuses on the desire for a display on this S24 Ultra. Previously, we had access to pictures from all angles, and in this video, I will explain the notable differences between the designs of this S23 Ultra and S24 Ultra, specifically focusing on their bezels. The upcoming design showcases a change by incorporating a display while keeping curved corners. However, these corners are not as curved as those of the S23 Ultra. The reason behind this modification is due to the curved display of the Ultra, which resulted in thicker outer bezels on the Galaxy's S24 Ultra. In fact, these outer bezels are among the thickest seen on any Galaxy phone. There is a rationale behind it. Samsung had two options to address this issue. They could curve the edges to enhance comfort when holding it in hand, hence making this S24 Ultra wider compared to its predecessor, or they could opt for sharp corners, which would feel uncomfortable when holding it. Fortunately, Samsung found a solution to this problem. Once we received the color options for this S24 Ultra, one thing stands out in all of them: the matching colored bezel is present on all models, and interestingly, no core option features a bezel. Even the black version of this S24 Ultra has different sides. The reason, if they put a black outer bezel, this makes Galaxy's S24 Ultra look really thick bezels, although it comes with one of the smallest bezels in the Galaxy phone with a 1.5 millimeters, and even the bezels are symmetrical. I recently came across another sneak peek of the Ultra's display. Here's another view of the S24 Ultra shared by Ice Universe. The tagline for this one is, "The attractive design of the Galaxy's S24 Ultra will truly captivate your heart." The bezels on this phone are impressively small and symmetrical, although the outer ones seem a tad thicker. Personally, I believe this design sets a standard for Samsung's Galaxy series, at least for the year. Moving on, Samsung has officially revealed that AI is coming to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Ice Universe shared a post about it, stating that the new era of Galaxy AI is on its way. This AI system is named Samsung Gauss, promises to bring some changes to our daily tasks. It seems like Bixby will no longer be present in its form. Instead, we can expect a new version. According to IC Universe, the AI implemented on the S24 Ultra goes beyond what we've seen and offers ways of showcasing Samsung's advancements in artificial intelligence. It's clear that Samsung has been putting in a lot of effort into their AI endeavors. Enough, at least for now. They seem to prioritize their focus on improving their AI capabilities rather than solely concentrating on camera features. Sure, the camera optimization for the Galaxy's S24 Ultra is still in progress. The release date has been confirmed for 17 January. You will be able to pre-order the device after the event. The phones will then be available in the market on 30 January. So what are your thoughts on the display of the S24 Ultra? Feel free to share your opinions in the comment section. For more updates, make sure to check out our channel. I'll catch you all in the next video.